Welcome back to another episode, and I hope you all are doing great. This is the trade I took on Friday, and this is the last trade of this week and for this month, and happened to be the biggest trade of this month. So, this trade is from Friday 29th of March on Euro USD. You can go and backtest this trade. So, let's check 4-hour time frame first. As you can see, the price has cleared all these lows, taps into this imbalance and this order block. So I was expecting price to be bullish and take out all this liquidity resting above. So my bias was bullish for the day. So let's jump into lower time frame. So as you can see, the price has already cleared the Asian lows. So I was expecting price to go higher and clear out all these highs, especially the Asian high. See, trading on 1 minute time frame takes a lot of time and experience. You just can't watch a YouTube video or even take some course and start trading immediately on 1 minute time frame. It takes time and practice to perfect it. The entry I'm showing you is only 2 pips stop loss, and remember, you just can't enter this type of trade randomly on chart. There are other confluences involved. I'm showing you the entry on 5 minute time frame. This is a total of 18-hour trade, and I want you to be curious and go on your charts and backtest this entry. You should be able to take such entries by yourself. See, I can give you such entries and spoon feed you every day, but you won't be able to take such trades yourself unless you do your own research and find why price did what it did. So go to the 1 minute time frame on your charts, come back and comment on this video. I will pin the comment of the person who is able to tell me how I was able to enter this trade. This one will be a practice for you to be able to understand the price delivery yourself. I'm sure it will help you a lot better than me just showing you the entry. I look forward for your comments. Thank you.